Hello and welcome back to Mike's House and Garden UK Club. So it's the first of the month, which means it's prize draw day. Every month now I have a prize draw for my club members, and this month I'm giving away not one but two wildlife trail cameras which were sent to me by GuardPro. So if you are a member of my club and if you joined before the 25th of April, your name will be on a piece of paper in that bucket. So I have two of these to give away. I also have a bag of horticultural grits because Gwyneth, who is a member, who has already won a couple of prizes and won the grit last month, very kindly and very generously decided to donate it back to Roll It Over. So thanks Gwyneth. A bag of horticultural grit will be going out to another club member. Now you might notice there's three champagne buckets on this table. The orange one has all my club members' names in it. And I'll hold it out, hold it up to the camera, printed off, cut up by me, and here they all are in there. So I'll be picking three names out of that bucket for three prizes this month, two cameras and a bag of grit. And in this bucket are three pieces of paper with the three prizes on. Now the mysterious third bucket has all the names of the people that got the question right in the mid-month drop video. I asked a question. I was a bit sneaky because I threw a few red herrings in, but 10 people answered that question correctly. I've replied to you all on the video and your names are all in there, so one of you will be winning a box of wildflower seeds I should say. Right, so there we go, that's the setup. I'm doing this all in one take, so there might be some errors. This is a wildlife camera, it's from GuardPro. One of them has a solar panel with it and no memory card, and it's the one I've been using. The other one is brand new, still in the box, and has a memory card with it. That's because I got sent one memory card and one solar panel, so that's the fairest way I've thought of dividing them up. So, right, without further ado, let's get on with this draw, shall we? I shall pull a prize out first, then I'll pull the name out. So the first prize to be given away is the Camera One with a solar panel. Camera One with a solar panel, so that's the one I've been using to demonstrate, and it comes with this solar panel. Because the second camera does not have a solar panel, I'm putting the memory card with that one. That's a fairer distribution. So the winner of this prize, I'm afraid you're going to have to buy a memory card, but it's a great piece of kit. Right, who's going to win it? Let's pull a name out of the orange bucket. Now I shall look away and I shall give it a bit of a stir, and I shall pull one piece of paper out, and that one piece of paper is the prize winner. Jane, your membership number is 1040, your initials are JK. Jane, let me pull this up to the camera. For transparency, Jane, Camera One will be on its way to you. Jerry will be in touch with you for your address. So Jane, congratulations, you've won a prize, and it's a wildlife camera and it's a brilliant piece of kit. Right, the second prize is the grit, the horticultural grit that Gwyneth rolled over. Is going out to Simini. Your membership number is 1034. Your initials are SS. Hope that's in focus, but that's the piece of paper. Simini, you are getting a huge bag of horticultural grit which will be coming from Amazon. Jerry will be in touch for your name. So we know what the third prize is. It's Camera 2, which is the one that's unboxed. Indeed it is, Camera 2. Who's winning Camera 2? No, empty hands, go in and pull out one piece of paper with the name Pamela on it. Pamela is my mum, and she's won a prize in the past, and she's donated it back. I don't know what to do about this. Will she donate the wildlife camera back? Mum, I know you'll be watching this. I'm going to make the assumption that you're going to donate the camera back. If you wanted it, tell me, I'll buy you another one. Right, Mum, you're going to one side, I'm going to pull another name out. David. 1037 David. There it is. You are having a wildlife camera, the one that's still in the box, but you will also get a memory card. So that's wonderful, isn't it? 3 prizes given away. Right, the next thing is the wildflowers. The people who correctly answered my question in the mid-month drop video in April. Christopher, you're getting some wildflowers. Now, there was only one Christopher. I haven't got your membership number, but I'll find out. I got your surname because it's in your profile name on YouTube. So Christopher, you will be receiving some wildflowers because you got the question correct and your name has come out. So there we go. The prize draw is done for May. And don't forget, if you're watching this and you're not a member of my club, you can join. You just have to go to my website, markshousegarden.com. It's £12 a year, that's £1 a month. You get a newsletter every month, you get a mid-month drop, which is exclusive content for members only, and you get entered in to the prize draw for all the things that I get given by product providers. I give them away. Wonderful. Congratulations to all the winners. Commiserations to the people who didn't win anything. And obviously I'm going to have a conversation with my mum about this wildlife camera. I'll see you soon for some more Mark's House and Garden UK Club adventures. Bye for now.